Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Bosch brand dishwasher and you're getting an E31 error and you're wondering what this error is and what you can do to get rid of it. So first of all, this is with the this error is a heating error with the Zeolite heater, which makes sure that your dishes get dry. You might have also noticed that when you get this error that the machine will do its cycle, but your dishes will not be dry at the end of it. So this is probably going to need to have this heating element replaced. However, one thing you want to check is that because you want to know why this happened, and one reason that this might have gotten damaged is it might be water damage from water leakage. So what I would recommend you do is you take your dishwasher, you pull it out, and you lean it backwards at a 45-degree angle and see if water comes out. And if water comes out, that is an indication that water damage is what's actually causing this problem. And so you also need to deal with the water leakage issue if you want to get rid of this problem for good. So anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.